Hey, gorgeous Robin.
Hi.
You're looking glorious.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining me today. So, we're talking all things financial ascension, financial sovereignty, deep power, leadership. You're a beautifully gifted healer, mystic business strategist, and you came to work with me about 8 or 9 weeks ago. And I know it really deeply
Wow.
because yeah, it's only 8 or 9 weeks, right? It was over Christmas holiday, and I saw this beaming energy of you come in, and I'm like, and I just felt that energy of, okay, I'm serious, momentum, let's go. And I'm on holiday, just had a hysterectomy. And I'm like, oh my God, I've got to get to this woman now, even though we added extra time at Christmas for a break. But the energy was like, so you really activated me and inspired me. I'm like, I've got to get there. So we started chatting, we started integrating all the things. And what sort of results have you been able to have since joining the Diva Mind?
Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me just tap into my heart.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. So I felt this sense of urgency the moment that I saw your free content.
Yes.
I understood it. So all of a sudden it started clicking into place what I was missing in the structures of the way I was rolling things out. And so immediately after joining your program, I switched up the structures of my business. I went from doing launch to launch to rolling enrollment. I raised the price and I took things out that were not really sustainable, that just weren't financially making sense. I instantly started valuing my hourly rate higher. And I really didn't believe you at first. I was like, an hour an hour. And I went back and I did the calculation of how much my time was according to the team program, how many hours I was serving them. And sure enough, it was like $2,100 an hour. So I was like, whoa, yes, this audience out there. So I instantly upped my hourly rate. And in that week that I did that, I signed two people into $5,000 programs. And that gave me the confidence that, oh my God, yes, I can embody this. This is
Mm.
happening. And then I just kept going forward. So, what I was able to birth a brand new program, which was my first mastermind. I got so much guidance around it. I would have like gone for something that was not really very mm, it would have I would basically I was going to do a 12-month program and I got the coaching to keep it to 6, and that was just so much easier for me to embody and take on. And so I immediately applied everything that you were teaching. I brought the stuff that I knew from the past about launches. I learned how to do a 3-day challenge with you, which to me was just over my head before. And I strung it together. And coincidentally, when I went to launch this beautiful new mastermind that was very scary for me, I
Mm.
simultaneously had a big influx from my other past program. So I was basically running with a double launch. Before I even launched the program, I think I had made 65,000 or something like that in sales. Launched the program, and by the end of that launch, which ended up being a double launch, kind of, I this amount in sales was 201,400. I think it was 201,434, and that is even wild for me to say out loud. And in all the things that needed to happen in my body, in my heart, and in my life, I needed support with, because I made such a big jump. And you jumped on it, everyone jumped on it, and I just felt really, really supported with the growth. And
Yeah.
uh, it, it
Beautiful. How do you
it's
feel
so hard to
now?
speak. Oh my God, I feel like such a badass warrior priest. I just like
You are.
I
You
like
are.
I it's taken a while for it to settle into my system and to really accept I belong here, I deserve this, and it comes from such a good place. And I just feel every day like I'm waking up in a miracle, like a miracle come true. Every day I'm filled with so much gratitude, from the bed I sleep in to my children getting everything they need, to the clients that are not just regular clients, they are clients that are on fire, that are so grateful, that are so changing the
Yeah.
world.
Absolutely. So I feel that it's so beautiful what you've been able to create and really birth here. And it is a birthing process. That's why that ascension and that support is so important. One is the structure, And not only are you changing, as you know, which is the work that you also do, the financial component, but the financial component and the shift always comes from the energetic shift, as you are so aware of. And I was saying to Robin before we began this chat, it's always a co-creation. You know, the thing about Robin is, you know, she has a beautiful gift, very passionate, very soul aligned, very gifted, and yet she was still trapped in that under earning, over giving, limping from launch to launch type of thing. And then now we've got the energetic shifts, but also that love. So many women, it's really interesting. I always say, I don't want to swear, but don't don't hold back from getting support. It doesn't mean that you're not talented. And if you are struggling financially, it doesn't mean that you're not really gifted, because the thing is, I think a lot of people don't understand is that, and I certainly didn't when I was, I struggled for my first 2 years of online business, and I knew I felt terrible and I knew I felt exhausted, but I kind of didn't even know what I was doing was wrong and that there was another pathway. So I think, if you're a really talented, gifted healer, psychic, priestess, coach, but you don't have the strategic pathway, it's very difficult, no matter how hard you work, no matter how much you're chanting and praying for it, to sort of bring it all together. And you're such a divine representation, Robin, of someone who came in and really took a leap of faith, because sometimes when you're buying these programs and things, you really don't know what you're going to get. But then not only did you do that and commit, you kept committing and you applied everything. I remember, saying, send me over this and I want you to do this and I want you to do that. And then I got on my computer and I was like, blah, 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 blah. And you're like, okay, cool. I'm putting that on Kajabi. I'm doing this. Okay, I might now do this. And working with someone who's able to run with it, which is actually sometimes quite rare, because people get stuck in their stuff, or they go a little bit slower, and that's fine. There's no right or wrong, but I am a very fast person. And so I love it when I meet another beautiful spirit who's like, yeah, I want to help women and heal and bring healing to the world. And I want to do this for myself and I want to do it for my family. What was the support like, not just from me, but from the other coaches? What's that been like for you, being in that container?
Well, that's the biggest thing that I was looking for when I was making the decision, because I knew that I had some of the pieces, or I thought I had a lot of the pieces before.
That's the thing,
My,
isn't
in,
it?
my intuition was telling me you need support. Like, you're going to get there so much faster with support. And so what it's been like is amazing to have somebody to bounce issues, obstacles, bumps in the road, ideas off of somebody and get a response pretty quickly, very, very quickly. And so every step of the way, sometimes I'm like, oh, nothing's going on, I don't need no help. And then boom, something happens, something big even. And I need emotional support, I need structural support, I need to ask.
Everyone does, myself included. I don't know why we make it so hard for ourselves, like isolating. I remember having a client come to me and she made a joke and she's like, Ingrid, I've been doing this alone for 23 years and I'm a business strategist and a coach, and I had my ego up my butt and I was like, I don't need her, and then she came and she had this massive growth. And it's like interesting around, it's not that you're not so clever and so smart. It's not taking away. It's taking your brilliance and your genius and then pairing it up with someone who might have just done something. Not that they're even more talented. They've just done something before you. So they have the complete pathway and they can take you to that next level, as you said, so much faster.
Yeah, it's like I see it so clearly. Each woman that is a few steps ahead of us, or even ones that are side by side, have a piece of the puzzle that I just couldn't see, or I just don't know because I didn't know. And that's
when you don't know what you don't know, it's like scary. I always ask the universe, I'm like, try to begin to show me what's in my unconscious, because there's a saying, know what you know and know what you know not. And that's where we can get ourselves into ego and we trip ourselves up, as you know, when you're like, oh, I know it all and I can figure it all out and I'm just going to grind along and I'll get it and eventually I'll get it right. I'm like, oh my God. So thank you so much for sharing that. 201,434 in about 8 or 9, 10 weeks. Wow. And then the other part of it is that when we're talking about numbers like this, I always want to make the point that means that Robin is now serving all these women and she's offering epic value to them, and she's doing it in a way that is sustaining herself as a leader and a priestess, and she's able to then pass it on from a place of overflow, not what I call like deficit or paying that penance. So I just want to thank you today for sharing your story. If anyone is watching, do you have any final words if they're sitting on the edge of joining the Diva Mind? Anything that you'd say to them?
Yeah, if someone was on the edge of joining, and I was there,
Yeah.
was the investment that I should make or should I wait? I really believe that it comes down to choosing yourself to be worthy of the support, choosing yourself to be worthy of the success, and treating it like just like the same as somebody jumping off a plane. You either do it or you don't. So you might
Yeah.
as well
Or you do it with a parachute or you don't.
do it with a
That's a good
do it with
analogy.
a parachute, do it with the support, and choose yourself. Just take the leap. And there's really no wrong choice. It's just a matter of, do you want it? Do you want it? Are you willing to show up for it and believing in yourself?
Absolutely. Thank you for sharing, darling. And I
Mhm.
know that you're going to keep doing this over and over and over again from a place of pleasure,
Mhm.
alignment, service,
Nourishment.
and yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. And I'm just loving seeing you online. I'm loving seeing you shine. I'm loving seeing the way that women are responding. So thank you for your contribution. Thank you for your courage. And thank you for your heart and taking the time today to share your journey with us all, and a million divine blessings. So much love. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ingrid.
Blessings.
Mhm.
Oh, that was beautiful.